Dongguan New Energy Storage Technology Co., Limited, founded in 2017 and located in Dongguan City, operates from a modern industrial park spanning over 28,000 square meters. As a TÜV Rheinland certified factory, we uphold the highest standards of quality management and manufacturing excellence. Our production facilities is equipped with 5 dedicated semi-automated intelligent battery production lines, achieving a monthly output exceeding 8,000 units, supported by a skilled team of over 150 experienced technicians. Our vertically integrated structure encompassing R&D, quality assurance, production, and sales enables full control over every stage of energy storage system development, ensuring innovation, efficiency, and unwavering reliability. We specialize in a comprehensive portfolio including lithium-ion batteries, LiFePO4 batteries, energy storage solutions, high-voltage systems, and customized BESS. All products strictly comply with UL 1973 and IEC 62619 certifications, guaranteeing safety and performance for diverse global applications. We source only brand new, grade LiFePO4 cells from renowned manufacturers, reflecting our uncompromising commitment to quality and longevity. Guided by our mission, charge for dreams, storage with the future, we deliver competitive pricing, superior products, and responsive service, always prioritizing safety and long-term client partnerships. After 9 years of sustained growth, we have served over 100 countries and built a global user base exceeding 100,000 active customers. Our key markets include the United States, Germany, France, the United Kingdom, Vietnam, the Philippines, Thailand, Nigeria, and South Africa, among others. Warmly welcome you to visit our factory for negotiation and cooperation. Thank you for your trust in JM New Energy.